welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be unboxing the new iPhone 17. But first, before we open the box, here is a phone case and it looks so pretty. Looks so aesthetic and pretty, like the ASMR. Okay, now let's open it.
Hello.
Wait, do we have scissors?
I'm gonna rip it open. Wait, I'm gonna go get some scissors. Wait, do I get a knife or scissors? Let's see this.
I got it open. Wait, that actually looks so cool. Oh wow!
Whoa.
Can I show them?
Yeah.
3, 2, 1. Wow, this is what it actually like. The phone case is actually like so cool, like the.
Mommy,
And then like the little
phone.
phone. This is so cool. And then like the back is so pretty. Okay, now let's do the honors.
Can I do the honors?
Okay, I'll pull this and then you can pull it out. Okay, ASMR. That's not ASMR.
Is that my
Oh
phone?
my gosh. Okay, ready? You can do the honors. Whoa.
Whoa.
Okay, so this is what the phone looks like. Wait, I want to take it out.
I want to take it off.
Wait, just be careful, okay? It's really new. Okay. Whoa. This is what it
Can I
looks
open
like. So, okay. No, okay, you can rip it, okay? Yeah,
No,
yeah.
too much.
Pull this thing.
Whoa, don't touch the
the
screen.
This is what it looks like. Can we open it? Okay, it's dead, but it's okay.
This is
Dude, like, I love that. Let's
is the
quickly put the
charger.
case on, just in case.
Oh, this is the charger. I think.
Okay, let's put on the case for the aestheticness.
Whoa.
Whoa, and then we have to take off. Oh, break this out of the way. Oh no. Oh, that's okay. Well, we have to take off the little glass thing here, but it actually looks so pretty with the phone case on. And then this is the charger.
Okay.
Okay, well, thank you for watching this, and you should definitely get the iPhone 17. It looks so cool.
Can I?
Bye. Like and subscribe.
Oh, this one.